Parthemore Paranormal. Brian Parthemore. And we got UFO Rick.
What's up?
Today we're at the University of Dayton. And we figured to show you guys Kennedy's internal flame. We'll get closer in a second. Sculpted in 1964 by an artist, William Thompson. This artwork, I guess, it was redone in 1998. So that's pretty cool. They call it the Kennedy internal flame, but there is no flame. It's just like he's fire.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty badass.
What's it called again?
Kennedy's internal flame.
Kennedy's internal flame.
Yep.
Over here, UD.
Yep.
That's where we're hanging and banging.
Let's see if we can get a closer picture over here. I want to see the back area, how it looks too. So what do you guys think? Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. That's pretty neat. JFK. See, it's all set up. I'll let you guys see that. The Life of Arts. JFK statue. 1917 to 1963. And the internal flame. You can see JFK's hand out there, reaching out for you. It's pretty cool, guys. What do you guys think?
I'm gonna get a pic of you. You want to do back and front?
Yeah, we'll do a pic. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow Parthemore Paranormal on YouTube. And hopefully you guys enjoy Kennedy's internal flame.